Alright, it's Sunday, July 4th. We're on the East Snowmass Trailhead, 1977, headed into the White River National Forest for 4 nights and 5 days. We'll let y'all tag along. Another nice brook, dude. What is that? What is that? Huh? Don't touch it. Nuh-uh. Get back. Get back.
Nahlia, come here.
Dadgum. Oh. Nice fat brook.
Yes, sure is.
We're up on top of Willow Pass. It's Monday, July 5th. Willow Creek down there. I mean Willow Lake. Not Willow Creek, Willow Lake. In the White River National Forest. Headed into the, or in the Snowmass Wilderness, headed into the Maroon Bells / Snowmass Wilderness. So, trail is down there. We're headed down, and then we gotta go, I believe, around right there. Go to Buckskin Pass before we get to Snowmass Lake. So that's where we're headed. Of Buckskin Pass. There's Snowmass Mountain. You see Snowmass Lake down at the bottom of that, right in the center of the screen. That's we're fixing to head down to Snowmass Lake. Down that trail right there. And then over Trail Rider Pass to Geneva. What's up, everybody? We just got hailed on big time. We're right below Snowmass Lake, and we had to pull off in the trees because we didn't want Pup getting nailed, but it freaking hailed. It hailed solid for like 5 minutes, something like that. Yeah, it's crazy. It started off as a beautiful morning. It's still beautiful. It's lightened up now. It looks like it's clear off to the west, so we're almost to the lake, and then we'll let y'all check it out when we get there. It's Tuesday, July 6th, and when we got to Snowmass Lake last night, it was just pouring. Set up camp and it rained half the night, so we didn't really get to get over here, but that's Snowmass Mountain right there. This lake is awesome. The reflection is crazy because it's so still this morning. Snowmass Lake, Snowmass Mountain, one of the 14ers that's class 3 or 4, I believe. Yeah, we've had a pretty good couple of days. Day 3, we're heading over. Actually, we're heading up right up there in the center of the screen to Trail Rider Pass. We're gonna go over Trail Rider Pass, which is like 12 something, and we'll go to Geneva Lake, and we'll hang out there. So yeah, enjoy that view. It's beautiful. Yay, Nahlia! Fixing to summit that. Psych. Going up there. Trail Rider Pass. Here we come. You ready, Nahlia? Hey. What are you doing? This is after her climbing 2 days. Doing 18 miles in 2 days, and then she's still going nuts. All right, good girl. All right, we're on top of Trail Rider Pass in the Maroon Snowmass Wilderness. It's Tuesday, July the 6th. So we came from down there. There's Snowmass Lake. Off in the distance in the center is the Buckskin Pass that we came over. Yes, we did 2 passes yesterday, Willow and Buckskin, and then got caught in a hailstorm, and then it rained most of the night, so we stayed at Snowmass. Then came up here, Trail Rider Pass, 12:03 and some change, and we're gonna head off. We're gonna get off of the Maroon Bells Circuit Trail and go to Geneva Lake today. It's over there. Beautiful day so far. Hopefully I don't know, got the clouds already popping. We'll see what happens. But we should be down to this lake pretty quick and set up camp. All right, made it over to Geneva Lake. Sitting at 11,000 feet. This one's a lot less crowded. We saw a few backpackers going, I think, back over to the 4-pass loop trail. Oh, what's that? What's that? Bam. Just saw some monster brook trout, rainbows, not rainbows, probably cuts. I don't know. We just watched them, probably 8 to 10 of them swim up here, so I'm fixing to get after it and see what we can make happen. There's some big fish in here. It's pretty, it's quiet. Nahlia's having fun. Let's see if we can get some fish out of here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got one. Got a nice brook. Big old fat, like, oh, probably 13, 14 inches. I'll send him back. Boom. Woo! Woo! That was nice. On the bottom. Missed one and then hooked that one up. Heck yeah. Nice looking brook, mountain brook. Beautiful. Get back.
Come here, Nahlia.
Get back. Damn. That's a hog of a brook trout.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
It's a beautiful morning at Geneva Lake. I don't know if you can see them. Those brook trouts are coming up and eating up top now this morning. They weren't too much yesterday, but they are now. Sun just now coming up. It's Wednesday, July 7th. We were at Geneva Lake last night. We are headed back to Snowmass Lake, going back over Trail Rider Pass right there in the middle. Decided to shorten our loop a little bit because a 10-mile-a-day push for 5 days was a bit much with these passes and stuff, and plus, I don't know, we're flexible, got the fish, still totally beautiful, out and back with a little loop in there. This and Willow, around Willow Lake, are probably one of my favorite areas. There's meadows and wildflowers for miles. Before we start up the hard part of the pass, we're gonna go right down there to that little pond and take a break. And we'll be headed up there. You can faintly see the trail. Let's see. Right in there, going up. You can do it, girl. Just like the other day. There you go. There you go, good girl. Badass mountain dog. It's the second one she's crossed. It's been like that. Oh yeah. Good Thursday morning to you. It's Thursday morning and we're headed back out a different way than we came in, and this is the log jam that they talked about. So West Maroon trailhead, or that's where we're headed. This is a big old log jam that you gotta cross. So I came first so I could show y'all what it looks like. Just gotta take it slow, but man, it's there's some sketchy places in there. Do you want me to call her? Nahlia, come.
She doesn't know what to do here.
Come here. There you go. Come here. Good girl. Look at her go. Look at that agility. Look at those skills from that mountain dog. Woo! Her made it. Yay! All right, you stay. You stay. Stay. Mama mountain goat. Stay, Nahlia. Making her way over. It's a log jam. Headed back down today. Nahlia's eating this up. She loves it. We're back. We made it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. We made it. Adventure Goats just got back off a 4-night, 5-day loop out and back thingy that I made up. We didn't do exactly what we had said, but we went east Snowmass Creek Trailhead. We hit 3 passes, 3 lakes. 2 of them had nice size mountain brook trout in them. It was beautiful. 37.6 miles, 12,000 foot of ascent, and 12,000 foot of descent. It was brutal. We did one of the passes twice. So was it Willow Pass, Buckskin Pass, Trail Rider Pass,
Two-tone pass.
Two-tone pass. Roxanne made one up. So yeah, it was awesome. We just threw everything on our backs and made that loop, caught some fish, had a blast. Weather was awesome, except for one time we got hailed on, rained on, but that's expected out here. This girl right here, she's already asleep, but she did ridiculous. She's like 8 months old, and she went the whole way with us, so it was fun. It was a blast. I'll put a little video together and just show y'all a few clips of around in this area. Maroon Snowmass Wilderness is totally awesome. We're gonna drink some beer, go take a shower, get some cheese pizza, burgers, all of it. See y'all later.